You won't believe this popular yummy dish in Chinese restaurant is so easy to make, and it is very economy. This is also one of the staples for my children. I love it too. Let's cook together. We mix a bit of tapioca starch or cornstarch and sesame oil with the minced meat. It gives the meat a velvety, smooth texture and locks the moisture inside. We are on the way to become a better cook. Let's check at the comment box for any questions that you may have. Click the subscribe button to follow me on tested recipes which are easy to follow. Bye!